Okay, good morning students. In our last video we have seen types of four angles, that is zero angle, acute angle, obtuse angle and right angle. Zero angle measurement is 0 degree, acute angle measurement is more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree, right angle measurement is 90 degree and obtuse angle measurement is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. So remaining three types of angles today we have to see. Pay attention. Fifth one, your fifth type is straight angle. Straight angle. So if you observe straight angle, the figure of straight angle is just like this. This is called as straight angle. So an angle measurement is 180 degree. Measure is 180 degree. Then it is called as straight angle. Straight angle. It means suppose any angle is given in this middle. It means angle is given, it means this is the straight line. Straight line is given in front of you. Then their measurement is 180 degrees. So it is called as straight angle. This is the fifth one type, that is straight angle. Next one we have to see straight angle. Sixth type is reflex angle. Okay. What is the meaning of reflex angle? Sixth one. Reflex angle. It means at the end we have to complete the circle. सर्कल कंप्लीट करना है हम लोगों को इसके अंदर. सो रिफ्लेक्स एंगल मीन्स व्हाट? स्ट्रेट एंगल के द फिगर इन दिस वे इट इज ऑपोजिट जस्ट लाइक ऑब्ट्यूस एंगल. ऑब्ट्यूस एंगल की जैसी फिगर देती है उसकी ऑपोजिट साइड को ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में जैसे ये एरो दिया जाता है, लाइन दी जाती है, उसको कहा जाता है रिफ्लेक्स एंगल. सो डेफिनेशन ऑफ रिफ्लेक्स एंगल इज एन एंगल is more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree is called as reflex angle. Reflex angle. Okay, now if you observe the figure, this is bigger than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. So this is called as reflex angle, and in front of you the figure given of reflex angle, that is in this way. Suppose the angle is given in this way. Teacher, then how we can recognize this is obtuse angle or reflex angle? So always remember, to reflex angle they have given the circle in this way. It is mean that this is called as the reflex angle and angle is more than 180 degree. If you observe the figure of obtuse angle figure is given in this way. Suppose this is given, this is also we are called as obtuse angle, but the figure is given in this way and the arrow is given just like this. So this is called as reflex angle. Always remember, reflex angle have the figure or arrow is given in this way. It means we can easily recognize the difference between obtuse angle and reflex angle. Okay, now next one, this is the last point or last type of angle, that is complete angle. It means whole circle is completed. Complete angle. Seventh number, that is complete angle. Complete angle. So if you observe the figure of complete angle, same like zero angle. Zero angle figure is given in this way. Then teacher, how we can recognize this is zero angle or complete angle is given? So just like this. Arrow is given in this way. Then it is called as complete angle. An angle measure is 360 degree. Then it is called as complete angle. Complete angle. It means what? In this way, the angle measurement is given 360 degree. So it is called as complete angle. And zero angle figure, if you observe, it is also given in this way. Then teacher, how to recognize the difference? So if you have given the figure in this way, so this is called as complete angle, this one called as zero angle. It means in last video and in today's video we have seen the types of angle, that is zero angle, acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, after that straight angle, reflex angle and complete angle. These are the 7 types of angle. Those we have to see in 6th standard. In 4th standard we have seen only 3 types of angle, that is right angle, acute angle and obtuse angle. In this standard we have seen 7 types of angle. So pay attention, we are making the table. Okay, figure, angle, figure and measurement. Okay, now please draw this chart in your notebook also. Properly draw it. Angle, first of all you have given zero angle. Next one, zero angle figure is just like this. Okay, this is your zero angle and measurement is 0 degree. Next one you have given acute angle. Acute angle figure is given in this way. Okay, pay attention to the zero angle. Zero angle, first small arrow is given. So if you can increase that arrow, then you can get that is acute angle. Acute angle measurement is more than 0 degree, less than 90 degree. This is your acute angle. Next one, third one type is right angle. Right angle figure is given in this way. Okay, and right angle have the sign just like this. So right angle measurement is properly given 90 degree. Fourth type is given obtuse angle. So obtuse angle, if you observe the figure in this way, obtuse angle, so more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. Okay, next one, fifth one type we have seen straight angle. Straight angle figure is given in this way. Straight line is given, so this is called as straight angle, and straight angle we have given just like this. Okay, straight angle measurement is 180 degree. Next topic you have given 6th number, that is reflex angle. Reflex angle figure is given in front of you just like this. Okay, and suppose the sign is given in this way. So measurement is more than 180 and less than 360 degree. This is called as reflex angle. And your last type, 7 number, that is complete angle. Complete angle measurement is again just like zero angle in this way. And the arrow is given just like this. So complete angle measurement is 360 degree. It means what? In our angles, chapter number 2, we have seen first the types of angle: zero angle, acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle and complete angle. Their figures are given in front of you. Their measurement also given in front of you. Now you have to solve your problem or practice set 2. In that practice set you have given match the following. It means pairs of angle measurement is given and types of angles they are asking. It means it is easy for you. Then question number 2, measurement is given. Suppose any measurement is given just like 250 degree. 250 degree. Which types of angle is this? If you observe 250, it is more than 180 and less than 360. The measurement is 250 is fit in which measurement, that is more than 180 and less than 360. So more than 180 less than 360, it means this is the reflex angle. So 250 degree, it is a reflex angle. Suppose you have given 75 degree. 75 degree means what? More than 0 degree, less than 90 degree, it means 75 degree is the type of acute angle. It means you can easily find out question number second also. In question number third, you have given the figure and you have to write down the names of their particular angles. Okay, it means it is your homework or you have to solve the exercise practice set 2 with yourself with using this chart, and also remember the definition of particular angle. It means it is very easy for you to solve the exercise or practice set. Okay, it means easily you can understand the types of angle and their measurement. Okay, thank you.